Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about a Bitcoin price analysis. You need to pay attention until the end of the video because it's going to be super important. We have some macroeconomic events which are going to come very soon, which will dictate the movement, short-term movement of Bitcoin in the next weeks or so. Of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. My name is Andrea. I'm a professional crypto trader. And of course, subscribe to the channel because we post one video about cryptocurrency trading every single day. Guys, I'm going to cut the chase and show you what's happening right now with BTC. We have been stuck for a while for the last couple of days in between $63,000 to $62,000. Bitcoin doesn't look like it's about to find a proper direction. But of course, it's going to be a very important event tomorrow, which is going to dictate and is going to, of course, break this very boring sideways trend, which is going to be in our economic calendar over here. So tomorrow we're going to have the CPI report. We're going to have unemployment claims. We're going to also have FOMC meeting minutes where they're going to discuss the future monetary policy. And all of these guys is going to be super important to understand where are we going to go from here. And of course, the expectation are going to be that we're going to see a little bit of a climb in core CPI and also a decrease in the headline CPI, which will be bullish if this happens for crypto, for risk assets and for crypto. But if this is going to come higher than expectation, that's not going to be good. And therefore, you need to have a plan A, you need to have a plan B, whether to decide to short Bitcoin or to long Bitcoin. At the moment, we can see that from a 4 hours chart point of view, Bitcoin is pretty much has broken this beautiful trend line over here, has been retesting this line, had a bit of a pull back up again, and we have a beautiful confluence, beautiful X point around this area over here on Wednesday and Thursday, which is sitting at roughly $58,000. This point over here is pretty significant because it's going to be pretty much the support, the major support, if we're going to continue to stay within this channel over here. And I'm going to show you the channel more in depth. We have one line over here and also another line over here, which means that if we're going to be able to sustain this channel over here, we could be forming a beautiful ascending channel, which is going to take us to this level over here at $72,000 potentially. And also, the reason why I could be seeing right now this ABC pattern correction is the fact that you can see even from here, utilizing our fib retracement. From this area over here, our golden pocket area perfectly matches the 61.8% into this X cross. So if I had to guess, I would say that depending on how things are going to go tomorrow, we could be seeing like an initial sell-off of BTC entering into the reading of the CPI. Investors are going to be scared. They want to, of course, maybe take money away from risk on assets because they don't know what's going to be happening, and then this could cause maybe a little bit of a drop, down to here. So that's what I can see right now for BTC from happening. And then with the good CPI, we could be seeing Bitcoin to, of course, going higher. Bad CPI, it could be the breaking point to go down to this area over here. I'm going to also show you a little bit more intraday what I think could be happening. So very similar to what I said, we are still, I must say that we are still holding pretty well. And right now, it looks like BTC is forming a potential bear flag. You can see the pole going down to this area. You can see the parallel channel down to here. And looks like, we are holding up pretty well. But if we're going to break this area, that's not going to be so good. And of course, guys, you need to understand entry points, how low we're going to go, what is going to be our buying point, our entry area, and there are some specific levels that you have to understand in order to catch and to trade this movement over here. And of course, if you're interested in knowing more about entry areas, about BTC, but also about altcoins like this, what you can do, guys, you can join our VIP group. You can see that we post analysis every single day, but not only technical analysis. We also post explanation of macro, technical analysis, liquidity heat maps with all these readings of what to do over here. Altcoin analysis. Look how many altcoins we discuss every single day for you to, of course, know when to buy and when to sell with all the explanation. Also, my trading calls over here, our other member course call, sorry, and of course, guys, this is our trading results. So if you are interested in joining the community of pro traders and really understand more about how to trade the short term, but also to understand long term, you can join our VIP group, link in the description below. So for Bitcoin, guys, that's what I'm expecting right now. You can see some weakness in the market. I'm not expecting an explosion right now, and I could be seeing more correction coming potentially today or tomorrow. So you can actually verify if I'm right tomorrow. So next one I want to show you as well, guys, very important, that is going to, of course, influence the price of Bitcoin is going to be the DXY. DXY is the dollar currency index, measure the strength of the US dollar compared to other currencies. Whenever this one goes up, usually that's not good for crypto and stocks as well. Whenever this one goes down, good for stocks and crypto. And right now, you can see that even the DXY is forming a potential ABCD pattern. You can see that is actually doing pretty well. And this is putting lots of pressure on Bitcoin, crypto, and also into the stock market. So what I could be saying is, if we're going to see a higher CPI, so like a higher reading of the CPI more than consensus, then we could be seeing the DXY to go even higher, reaching this level over here at roughly 104. That is going to have a significant impact on all of this. And then after that, I could be seeing our final dump of the DXY. Why? Because the Fed is probably going to cut interest rates more from now until March 2025. And then, of course, after that, if a recession hits, then we're going to see the DXY explode. And when this happens, crypto and stocks are going to get completely bashed. That's it, guys. So to summarize again, BTC doesn't look very strong in my opinion. I think there is more downside to come. I'm just waiting for that to, of course, know when to enter. And of course, guys, if you also want to know more about trading, about crypto, and you want to become a professional trader, you can join my website and you can go here and watch a free masterclass I just designed for you to understand how you can make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, utilizing my strategy called the FTA $1 million strategy. It's going to be very helpful. 15 minutes video to show you why our strategy is actually superior to anything else. We put everything to account, macro, technical analysis, and so much more. So if you're interested, please go on my website, Freedom Trading Academy, link in the description, and enjoy this complimentary free training. Otherwise, I really hope you're going to have a great day. Know when to enter now with Bitcoin. There is a specific point you can make good money, but otherwise, enjoy your day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow.